name is Angel if you are new here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my favorite Aliexpress lashes. So I love Aliexpress, you guys. I have been wearing their lashes for at least 2 or 3 years now. They are amazing. They're super cheap, under $3, and I'll be sure to leave all the lashes that I tried on in today's video down in my description bar below. And real quick, before we jump into the try on, I just want to let you guys know that right now I have on the A10s. I did not try these on. I actually filmed another video, but I put these on, y'all, and girl, y'all see them? Sis, these are beautiful. They're super wispy, not too thick, not too thin. These are the A10s and these are amazing. I'm about to go place me another order, sis. Y'all, I thought my eyes were literally gonna fall off. Excuse my application, it was not super perfect or anything. I just pretty much was wanting to show you guys what the eyelashes looked on the eyes. So some of them weren't applied how I would apply them if I were going somewhere. They were just kind of pretty much just showing you guys how they look on the eyes, giving you an idea before you actually make a purchase. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And by the way, let me go ahead and tell you guys my favorites. The D108s are my favorites. The E11s are my favorites. And then for a more natural look, I do like the E13s, D23s, and I also like the A10s. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these eyelash try on video, and I hope that it helps you make your purchase much more easier on AliExpress purchasing your Mink eyelashes. That's pretty much it. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. And if you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can become a part of the gang. See y'all next time. Mwah.